Hi guys and welcome on our YouTube channel. This is the next step in the SAMI-X-CORE system. We'll show you a short drill. It's also nice, you can train like with a gi, but you can train also with a hoodie and something else. Most of people don't like to train that with the shirts because when you one times pull here, that is really destroyed the shirts. We use that for the training. And in my country we have 9-month jackets or hoodies because it's not every time so warm. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy our clip, and it's a nice drill and really basic in our system. Okay, the thing is, maybe we have one contact here on the arm, yes? So maybe he punched me, maybe I'm there, or he come, I'm there. You see, I have immediately here grip. So here for the training we use the elbow and he blocked maybe with the hand. Yeah, so I come here, I want to give him one elbow to the face and he make maybe that or what he found, okay? And when he have this one, I grab what I found here on the jacket and pull it. Then I go forward. You watch his face makes that. Yes, the head comes like this forward and I go in with my head, like boom. Then I use my left elbow, normally, I want to give him the next elbow, but he block it with his hand. This is my side switch, and I use also here the same technique for the other side. Give him this elbow, one. Watch the details. I give him one here, have the hands there. Yes, you see, I have a good thing. For me it's easy to go here with the elbow, or punch him, or go here to the neck. But now I let him a little bit space, and he can grab. Then I can change my footwork or stay whatever I want. I like to move a little bit and give him one elbow there, come here, go there. This is also important when I have multiple attackers are there and one comes from there, I have also boom, have this one, and then I can stay behind him so I can use the jacket also to change my position. Once again, I give him one elbow, he block. I grab one I found here. I bring the arm a little bit down to my right hip, come here, maybe boom. Give him one elbow, he block, change the side, boom, give him that, come here, go there. You see, I can hold later left, I can hold later right, whatever. I can use the jacket for a takedown. You see, it's easy to bring him down. So we have many things what we can do with the jacket. Yeah, it's just the idea in which way we train that. It's a short drill, but you have really good things inside. The manipulation, the controlling, use your head but use your elbow and switch the side. So I hope you like this clip. It's also one of our series for the SAMI-X-CORE. It's a nice program and will start next year in summer. Yeah, when you like it, give us a thumb, share our clip, or you follow us, or all of that. Thank you, see you soon, bye bye.